Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and depart from evil. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 7. Hello family, most welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. The weather is getting warmer and warmer by day, so it's absolutely the best time for us to be making our own homemade ice creams. Today, let's make some delicious banana ice cream. Fam, it is one of the easiest ice cream you've ever come across. Let's get started because it is so good. So if we're making banana ice cream, we most definitely need our banana. Here I have a bunch of it, and I have some evaporated milk and condensed milk, milk powder, a glass of water, and a glass of milk. All right, and I also have my cups, of course, to shape these ice creams. Okay, below in the description box I have listed all these ingredients with it right and exact quantity, so please be sure to check that out. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and peel off the banana, and I'm going to break it like this, but if you so wish, go ahead and cut it nicely. But it's not needed anyway because we're going to boil this for about 5 minutes afterwards. Make sure you wash your hands after peeling everything off. Okay, so in my pot I'm going to add my 1 glass of water and add all the banana to it and just allow it to boil. I just want it to be extremely tender, and it's also make way to release all that banana flavor that I want to have in my ice cream. It is so good. By doing this, it helps you skip the part of using any banana artificial essence. Okay, this is the real banana flavors we want to have in our ice cream. Okay, so I'm going ahead to allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. So while at it, I'm going to also go ahead and prep my wet ingredients. I'm going to add a bit of water to my milk powder and just make sure I mix everything well. And 5 minutes later, the banana has been cooked. Please be sure to get rid of the foamy substance on top, as it's not going to make your end product look pretty. Okay, once done, go ahead and put everything in your blender and add the water that comes with it. Okay, do not discard it, as it has that beautiful flavor and aroma. All right, add the milk, all the milk that you have on board. I always love to combine these 3 types of milk in my ice cream because absolutely you get to taste different shades of milk, and it's so good. Just in case you do not have whole milk, please go ahead and use just the powdered milk. It works so well. Okay, blend it until very smooth. Make sure you strain it to release all the unwanted particles in your ice cream. You want it to be as smooth and silky as possible. Okay. And yes, just look at this. You do not want this to be ending up in your ice cream, do you? And once you're done, go ahead and take off the excess foamy on top, and we are about to also add our very last ingredient, which is the condensed milk. At this point, if you taste and you feel like you want extra sugar, go ahead and add it. But for me, the banana is very sweet. As you can see, it was very ripe, and the condensed milk is also very sweet, so I did not need to add any sugar. But you go ahead and do you. Okay, go ahead and mix everything up, and then you go ahead and shape your ice cream. Please be sure to feel free to use any form or shapes that you prefer. I always love the good old Abelewalls shape, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just fill my caps off. This is actually very healthy. It has no flour, it has no essence, extra essence, anything like that. It's absolutely delicious. You can also decide to add few colors, food coloring, to change the color if you so wish. You can also combine other fruits like strawberries to this. It will be so delicious. Absolutely. Go ahead and try this, and I promise you the kids are going to love you so much. Nothing beats homemade ice cream, you know. It's absolutely the best thing ever. So once you're done with all the shapings, I've always loved my sekodia, but choose any type of sticks that you prefer. And once you're done, go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 6 hours or overnight, which is even better. Just like that, your ice cream is done, family. It is absolutely incredibly wonderful to make your own homemade ice cream. Fam, you need to give this a try. It is the healthiest option out there. Okay, so if you do not also know, I have tons of ice cream recipes here. I will list everything below in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. And to my Abelewalls sellers, you know that you need to add this to the list, right? There's definitely going to be banana seasoning, which you are going to make lots of profit from. Okay, so there you have it, family. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, as it really makes me happy. Okay. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.